Hi, my name is Michel Stanier. I'm the General Manager of Teledyne Optech, and we're very excited to be at INTERGEO this year. Starting with our Galaxy, the 4th generation Galaxy, the T2000, and we now bring it to 2 megahertz with even more performance, more unique capabilities that are just delivered by the Galaxy. And then we've gone even a step further by taking this great sensor and doubling up on it so that we can deliver the only 4 megahertz capability, true 4 megahertz on the ground with a linear lidar without any of the complications, any of the difficulties, the challenges with noise and processing that come with some of the new technologies like single point lidar or Geiger mode. Or you can separate them, the two Galaxies, and operate them independently as just regular 2 megahertz Galaxies. So this modularity is something that nobody else today offers in the marketplace, and we are absolutely thrilled to bring this capability to our customers and to the market. Also, in terms of innovation, we're finally coming into the UAV and mobile space with our compact lidar 360, the CL360. And the idea there is to deliver more performance than what the market has today at a lower price point. What I'm encouraging people to do is to come and see us not just for lidar solutions, but we are truly now, as Teledyne Optech, a one-stop problem-solving center for our customers. No matter what your problem is, we have the tools, we have the technology, we have the people, not just as Optech, but as Teledyne, to be your one-stop shop for the problem that you have.